Today, we're doing something a little bit different. That's right, the new central heating pump's turned up. So today it's going to be adventures in plumbing. How to fit a central heating pump. So it's pretty much going to be over to Tina now because I can't get in there. You'll see the room in a minute where the boiler is, and there's just not enough room for me to get in and do it. So it's over to Tina. Well, I'm hoping it's not what it says on the box. Here's the boiler. It's as big as a house. And there's the pump. That's what we're going to attempt to change. So we're going to crack on. So at the minute, Tina's just releasing the pressure in the system.
It says it's all gone.
Alright. Now close that big valve.
This one first?
Yeah, I suppose. Close it all the way up.
Says it's on 0.
Right. Are you sure there's no screws in where the flanges bolt on, where the pipe comes up to the pump? Yeah, where it comes up there's a flange. Is there any screws in that? Like flathead screws?
Not that I can feel. Let me find that torch.
Is that the same sort of thing? What colour are the wires?
Yellow and green at the top, blue in the middle, and green at the bottom.
Oh, green.
Definitely green.
Does it say what the things are? It should be live, neutral and earth.
It doesn't say anything. Oh, hang on, is that an L? Oh, yes it is, right. So, yellow and green is earth,
Yeah.
blue has got an N, and green is L.
So green's live, blue's neutral, green and yellow is earth. It's just they're normally blue and brown.
Yeah, right.
But try not to touch them together. I know it's all disconnected, but I'm just a bit concerned. Now Tina's just taping up the ends of the electric cables, just to be on the safe side.
So I'll do the blue and the green.
Yeah.
There's water coming out.
Right, before you do it too much,
Do the top one.
yeah, and you're going to want to pull it the other way.
Right, okay. Keep going on this one.
Either or, just see how much water's coming out. Hopefully it won't be too much.
Should I undo the other one a bit?
Try and, yeah, see how it goes.
Going that way on, I know.
Yeah.
Pump's coming back. Yeah, it's okay. I've not really used these sort of grips before.
No.
I see what you mean.
I think they call them water pump pliers.
Well, these have got the right torque for the job.
Oh,
They're water pump pliers.
yeah, for a car. Well, I don't know. It was I bought them off the Snap-on man, I think.
Well, so far,
Shh. Just carry on. Don't say anything.
I was just going to say it's not pouring out like it was when Fred played with it.
Well, we've got a bit of common sense.
Yeah, 'cause I'm sure he undid that or something. And it just came flooding out. Might be able to
Because
get
you're
something.
gonna be paddling. How tall are you? It's not a trick question. How tall are you?
5'6".
5'6", and you. Oh, here comes the water. And the boiler is taller than Tina.
No, it's not.
You stand on tiptoes now.
This is me standing upright.
Right. Well, it's nearly as tall as Tina,
It's about an inch shorter. About 5'5".
so there's no need for it to be that big. Hence the reason we're going to get a new one. We're now draining the system, as you can see.
Shall I open it up a bit more?
You can do.
I can't undo it anymore, but it's not coming off.
Will the nut push up?
Ah, is that what happens? Yeah, and I'm going to get drowned. I can tell. Well, then I just pull it apart.
Yeah, you should be able to pull the pump out.
There!
What?
Getting wet!
Oh, it's a plumber's job. You'd be fine.
I'm not a plumber.
You could put your waterproofs on. What's that look for?
There they are.
Yeah. It's not really catching in that bucket now, is it?
No.
Probably take that out.
Well, we sort of know there's no need for it, don't we?
Yeah. So the pump's all undone. It's just Tina's a bit frightened of pulling it apart because she doesn't want to get wet.
Not when I've still got to put it all back together. I don't want to be drowned and freezing cold. Really, do I? Would you?
Well, have a look, see if there's any pressure in it.
What do you mean?
Well, pressure in the pump, in the boiler.
There is a bit. I just did that. It's not.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night.
I think it's back up.
Here a while, take a little time.
But you've closed the valve since then.
Since you went away, it came to a halt.
We're almost there.
Silence is everywhere, and you're not.
All my hands are nice and warm. It's that top valve that's not sealing very well. There we go.
There's one old dilapidated pump.
Filthy, mucky, smelly.
Not only is she a plumbist, she's now an electricianist. We'll just wire the new pump's fitted. We'll just wire it up. It's quite easy because they got like just push fit things on a block. But the earth wire was just a little bit fat, so she had to just crimp it up a little bit, and hopefully it'll fit in this time. So the pump's on. It's wired up. Valves are open. So now we've just got to fill the system back up with water, which is the tap on the back.
Before we turn anything on.
Yeah. Turn it right on, or not, turn it on quite a bit.
That's on.
Pressure going up. It might take a while
Really?
because it's drained itself empty, isn't it? So as you can tell, the boiler's fired up. The pump is fitted. We've got pressure in the system. All we've got to do now is bleed the radiators out, which Tina's doing now, and just keep checking the pressure. There's no leaks on the pump, so all in all, that's a new pump fitted for 40 quid, and it's taken about an hour. It'll probably take us a couple of hours time we've bled all the radiators out. So that is how you fit a central heating pump. Pretty straightforward. Tina's done the job. She's not a plumber, she's not an electrician, but she can turn her hand to pretty much anything. So it's a pretty straightforward job. Luckily the boiler's out in the garage, so we didn't make a lot of mess all over the floor with the water, because it didn't really matter in the garage. Luckily it went away from where the new kitchen sat, so that's not a problem. But easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, comment below, ask any questions you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and it's bye for now.